Mars 2. Two identical spacecraft sat on launch pads 3,000 miles apart, each carrying humanity's most sophisticated interplanetary technology, and both were about to become monuments to cosmic ambition and earthly miscalculation. The Soviet Union's Mars 1969A and Mars 1969B missions represented the pinnacle of Cold War space engineering, featuring advanced panoramic cameras, soil analysis equipment, and atmospheric sensors that could have rewritten textbooks about planetary science. These weren't simple flyby missions like their predecessor. These bus-sized spacecraft were designed to actually land on Mars and transmit the first close-up images of the Martian surface back to Earth. Soviet engineers had spent 3 years perfecting every component, from the retro rockets that would slow the descent to the shock-absorbing legs, designed to cushion impact on alien soil. The timing was critical. Mars and Earth aligned favorably for interplanetary travel only once every 26 months, and the Soviets knew NASA was preparing their own Mars missions for the same launch window. On March 27, 1969, technicians began the final countdown for Mars 1969A at Baikonur Cosmodrome. The 4-stage Proton K rocket stood 190 feet tall, its liquid oxygen and kerosene fuel tanks pressurized and ready. At exactly 10:40 Moscow time, the engines ignited with a roar that could be heard 20 miles away. For 51 seconds, everything went perfectly. The rocket climbed steadily through Kazakhstan's morning sky. Then, in an instant that would haunt Soviet space officials for decades, the entire assembly disintegrated in a fireball so massive it registered on seismographs across Central Asia.